Then you need a bottom on your toolbox, otherwise everything's going to fall out. So take your piece of plywood, put the box, I would put it on the corner, so you only have to do 2 saw cuts. Put the box on top of the plywood and draw round the box, and then cut the plywood, and then we'll nail the bottom on the box. So here's my base cut out to the right size for the box, and what I would do is go ahead and use some of these clout nails to nail it on. Now then, it's quite hard to see where to nail through when you've got the base sitting on top of the box, where to nail. So what I would do is put the box again on top of the plywood, make sure it all lines up, and then take your pencil, if you can find it, and draw around the inside of the box. So you'll end up with a square drawn on the base, and then when you turn your box upside down and you put your base on, you can see where the base lines up with the sides, and go ahead and nail all the way through.